Welcome to Knott's Berry Farm.
Let's go see what we can see.
And the emporium's opened back up. A brand new emporium. Oh, I'm super excited. Oh, it totally looks different, but the same. Right? What do you think, babe? You think it looks different, but the same?
Yeah, rearranged.
Oh, I like the new paint. The new paint's really nice. The new floor is really nice. It's very open concept now. It's not as cluttered. I like it. It's pretty shoppable now. Oh yeah, way, way nicer of a shop now. This is inviting now, you know, now that it's not as cluttered. Yeah, the detail during the Peanuts Gang celebration is amazing. They're going at the same time in unison. Knott's Berry Farm. Didn't your mom teach you anything? If you leave your toys outside, they get ruined, especially if you leave them outside in the rain. The log ride's going through a major rehab right now. All the logs are over here under accelerator, and we heard a rumor that these are going to 4 seats, not 5 anymore. They're gonna repair all of that kind of damage on the cars, probably replace all the wheels, and if you look at that one there, we'll go like that. The seats are already being removed. So we think there's some weight to the rumor. Oh, that jacket's nice, babe.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
It is pretty cold, but you know what? It's that time again. It's time for a Calico River Rapids construction update. It would appear that the entire deck of the loading area is gone, the entire lift hill is gone, and the boats are nowhere to be found now. Here we have more marker flags, more marker flags, more marker flags. Lots of ground disruption here, but not too deep. Maybe only like a foot down, but that's way more interesting than when it was just a little tiny hole there. So now we have ground disruption there and there and there, almost in the shape of a square. But I don't know, I'm still saying log cabin goes here, and we're also possibly going to get another log cabin. But let's go check on that waterfall. Well, an interesting note is that somebody down here by where those new sensors are at has swept everything up. Nothing is swept, but all the leaves over here are swept into a pile. Nothing back that way has been swept. Nothing up here has been swept. Only this area from these sensors that we're believing are for the waterfall. So let me explain to you what these sensors should do. These sensors there should be a laser that comes through here. You won't be able to see it, it'll be invisible, but as the boat passes through, it'll break that laser, shutting off that waterfall just in the nick of time. Exactly how it works on the log ride. Well, the log ride works different. That's apparently set off by a ride operator, but that's time for a different story, right? We are seeing a lot more irrigation, sprinkler supplies going in. I wonder if this whole hillside's gonna go green. That would be very interesting, because why would they be adding all kinds of plumbing stuff for sprinklers if this wasn't gonna get planted with all kinds of greenery? But I don't know. I know nothing, just like always. So it would appear that the winds of Knott's Berry Farm have favored us, and the tags have been turned, and we can read them. I don't know if you can see them in this video, probably not, because I'm having a pretty hard time seeing them anyways. But let's get a little focus going, close. Man, we are gonna get rained out real quick. But the tag says, pipe required for connect. And then underneath it says the same thing in Spanish. But once again, we know nothing. This tag here on top says Knott's something, something, something. But we still don't know what that means, but super exciting.
Now I am 72% positive that this waterfall is coming back, baby. We have a lot of new pipe exposed here. I don't know what that's for. It could be the hydraulic lines for the system for the blasters that are gonna go over here that we've heard of. That intake, the hole that they were cutting before when we were here for the last construction update, is now covered up by plates and clearly has an intake for water for these blasting cannons. But like I say always, in every single construction update, we're not working on this project. We have no clue. We're just going based upon my construction background.
Okay, so it would appear it's time for the wild speculation section of the Calico River Rapids construction update. In a previous construction update, who was it?
Robert Neslin.
Robert Neslin, sorry if we pronounced your name wrong, says he knows where the Yeti is and its gender. Do spill the beans. Please do spill the beans. We now don't have no clue. We don't know. We want a show building. Girl power, yes, we are. I think that at this point, we should let you all know. Hey, what?
Let's take a stroll.
Oh, no!
Painting those windows, stocking our shops, crank up the shows, boys, don't let the music stop. Everybody's gonna know we love this place called Knott.
Don't forget to book your stay at knottshotel.com. They have a huge pool and soak zone that is only available to guests. Not only does the hotel have exclusive guest-only areas, but you can book a Camp Snoopy room. And complete vacation packages are available. So what are you waiting for? Head over to knottshotel.com. You'll get to stay the night with Snoopy.